What up, y'all? I'm about to make a belching video for you guys and tell you a little of what's going on in my life. Mom's coming home after she's done with, I think, a few more weeks of therapy, physical therapy, and she's gonna continue being on dialysis. But that's still she survived COVID, so that's good. But it took a lot out of her, which concerns me. So I'll be learning to take care of her and taking her wherever she needs to go. So I had to adjust my life to. Anyway, I gotta find other ways of work. So other ways of making money, which is fine. I need the change because I'm kind of getting tired of working at fast food after all these years. And, I'm writing a book on uh, sci-fi in detail. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. I've been doing other projects and working on other fun things. So anyway, uh, I'm about to play some Final Fantasy Tactics. Yeah, buddy. Woo! That was pretty long. All right. What I'm going to do first, I just got done watching Lilo and Stitch. So I wanted to hear what Stitch actually sounded like. I never really actually watched it through and actually paid attention to how he sounded. So I only got
a vivid description of his nails. Yeah!
I got my black sherry sparkling beverage.
Yes, it's very good, and you could live it in slices.
Okay. Blue. Wow. I want everything to be blue. I'm on evil and I ain't up there. If I was green, I would die. Ba-ba-dee-ba-ba-da. Oh, come on. Where's the remote? Okay. Let's turn this on. All right. All right. So anyhow, I just been working at Arby's and doing my thing. Come on, turn on. And I just for your entertainment, I burp. You guys want me to burp? Like there's no one else out there that can do it? Really? You don't think I'm the only one? Okay, good. Because I'm not the only one that can belch loud. There's plenty of people out there that can burp whenever they want. They just don't push the talent to its limits. That's what I do. Okay, anyway. You see? Hope you can see. I'm about to play. Whoa. I gotta plug this in. It's not good. Okay. Calm down, Spencer. It's all good. It's all good. All right. Plug this in. Controller's gonna work. Just well, just so you guys know, this game has a lot of wait a second. Dude, I hope I don't have to start all over on this. Seriously, this is gonna suck. Woo! Game Boy Nintendo. I hope I don't have to start all over. Please be there. Please be there. Please be there. No! Close software. Anyway, in the meantime, because I'm mean this time, so it's mean in the meantime. Duh. I gotta change it to the right one. Hold up. Y'all. I'm boom, baba dee, baba da. When I was green, I would die. Just kidding. I know, I'm odd. I'm weird. I know. All right, now I'm gonna have. I'm blue, baba dee, baba da. If I was green, I would die. Is that how it goes? If I was mean, I would cry. If I was mean, you would cry. Da ba dee da boo da. Okay, can you see what I'm playing at all? Come on.
You gotta be able to. Do you? Yeah.
Oh, I'm in a battle still. Okay, let's see if I can win.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Hopefully you can see it. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Guess I could do this. If I don't drop the laptop, I'm good. Okay. Whoa, whoa. La 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 la. See my guy right there? This guy's a fighter. That's what I call him.
Well,
192 damage, dude. That is just so intense, dude. That's actually a lot of damage in one hit. That's like half their health. Or more than that, dude. Some of them are monsters. Monsters. Woo! Yeah! See who's better at the game. Yeah, you are freaking lame. You don't get the game. You don't get it, man. Yeah, what's happening with it rhythmically? Yeah, the music in my brain. Yeah. Dude, it's insane. Woo! Air render. I'll render you. I'll be there rendering you unconscious. Yeah, buddy. JP. 1. Judge point. So these guys are these lizard guys. Pretty cool. You can use them to punch people. Hit them. Yeah. You can punch people. Yes. And you can throw air. You can throw air. And they're not gaseous. They do not smell. They don't smell like your fatness. You'll get kicked in the grasses. Woo! And I know that I'm the fastest at rapping. Yeah. You smell like crap, man. And I see your rap. Get it? Smells like crap. And you smell like crap. And you can go to hell, man. And you can go to heck. That's it. Oh, action. Fight. Ignite. Throw the sword in the eye. Do it now. Move now. Get out of the way. Now. Wow. Me, let's go. Now. We got to do it now. Wow. What are you talking about? Ah! I'm going to use air render battle tech. Oh, fighter tech. Air render. You going down, clown. Woo! No, man, I missed. I missed. Crap. Oh, well, I'll just get him. They put my guy to sleep. Look at him. Just use cheer. Cheer up, man. Cheer up. See? It says cheer. Get it? cheer up? Yeah, buddy. He's getting in the zone. He's about to be like, I'm going to destroy, put you in the void. Yeah, you are annoying. What are gonna be destroyed? Yeah! No! You threw a freaking bottle of flame at me, dude. Whatever you call those. Alcoholic drinks you light on fire. What do you call it, dude? Oh, yeah. He's gonna kill him. No, Mog Rush. Oh, wow. You're gonna just attack my guy like that, huh? Watch, I'm about to lose. They put my guy asleep. This is
Not good.
Come on. How much to MP? He doesn't even do damage to him. This is what I don't get here. I'm kind of not in a good mood now. Dude, if I lose, I'm going to be mad. Man, this is not good. He's healing himself. We're doing that. And this guy's not even getting damaged. Except his MP. His magic points is only doing damage. Cool. It's like it turns... Okay, I'm just going to knock this guy out. Watch. Yep, you're gone. Bye-bye, little puppy. It's not a puppy. Oh, puppy! Yeah! Okay, that's kind of random. It's not even a puppy, dude. They're Moogles. Okay, not Mongoloids, but Moogles. Sacred Tech! Yeah, they will affect. Oh boy, I better move, because he will get hurt. He will feel the effect. And he will not be put in check, but he will be put to death. And that is not good, Mac. I'm going to go over here, and then smack. Yeah, Sacred Tech. Don't give a crap what happens next. Okay, that is impossible, dude. It didn't do anything to him. It did 220 damage. Come on, man. What are you about to do to my guy? Forget that. He woke up. I hope he woke up, dude. Okay, good. Well, let's go attack this guy. This guy needs to die.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it. Combos. Woo! Yeah, buddy. What's gonna happen next, buddy? You're not gonna get nothing from it. Bam! Stunning! Ha 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 ha! Fast! That ain't funny! Man, now I'm gonna gun him down! Yeah, I'm gonna be stunning him now! Yeah, beefing like a cow! I can hear your cowbell! You freaking cowbell! Do you even know who I am? I'm Spencer Harwell. And how well can you rap? Man, you sound kind of whack. Woo! 10 experiences, gang? Forget that. You're gonna get smacked. And you gonna get attacked. Much. And it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be really bad.
Whoa, that really was stinky.
Okay. Next. If I really sound like that, I don't even know what to say, man. I had some beans, man. And they were exotic beans. I had a lot of exotic beans. I don't know why exotic beans make you just let air, because they're just so organic. So organic in the Hawaiians. In the islands. In the islands of the Hawaiians that you're confined in. Yeah, it's fine. You can find the wit. And you can find explicit things in the world. But what you're gonna do next is really important. Duh! Okay, I got him now. I'm going up here. Who else do I have to kill? I don't know what to do next. Is he in the corner? I don't know what to do. Oh, he's right there. He's hiding behind the wall. I didn't even see this guy. This guy right here. Pure status and heal HP. Mog aid. Oh, a Moogle version of first aid. Yeah, that's what that is. I know I'm nerd aid. Okay. Yeah, coming up on the top of the third brain. We have a third brain. Oh, it's a third eye. AI is not what I want to be. I want to be human. I don't want to be AI. Woo! I did win. Yeah, that's right. Looks like I managed to get Doned's attention.
You must be ready.
Somewhere. That's not real. Trust me, it's not real. Oh, man. Those beans were so freaking delicious. I had to put them on the taco. The taco shit. Woo! Come on out, Donut. I know you're there. He's trying to get the character. He's trying to get him to come home. That's his brother. And they're in a different world. It's pretty cool. I like this story. Whoa! You have everything, but what do I have? Don't add, that isn't true. How isn't it true? You can run. You're not sick. You have friends, and you can have snowball fights. Yeah, he's a sick kid that was in the hospital. Now he's in another world that he can actually walk. He's not in a wheelchair.
Yeah.
Well, I can have all those things too in this world. I have lots of friends in my clan. And someday soon I'll be strong enough to engage. I can have fun here, fun. And you want to take it all away. I don't think going back home means losing everything.
That's because you are you. You have everything there.
Not everything, Donut.
What then? What do you have? Well, don't tell me you want more.
I've never said I wanted anything. I gave all that I want and the I don't wants to you. You're always saying I want this and I want that. And I always had to put up with everything. Yes, you were always sick and I wasn't. And Mom was so busy looking after you. I couldn't ask for anything for me, could I? Wait, that's the wrong voice. I thought it was a kid. Whoops. I was jealous that Mom gave you all that the attention. Especially after we moved away from Dad into the country. I was like I was living alone. Spencer. Hey, that's my name! I don't have everything. I don't have everything.
That's how you say it. Yeah. It sounds weird when you say it in a different tone. I know. You are happy when you found yourself here. Wah!
No, I don't sound like that. I was too. I like this world. You can do anything. I don't sound like that either. I know this isn't the real world.
I know. But still. It's so much fun. I can run. I don't have to go back to my wheelchair.
See, he's in a wheelchair. It's really sad. It's like I said, even if the world turns back, I don't think you can have to lose what you found here. I'm sure you'll be able to run when we go back. I'll do everything I can to help too.
Right, Kitty? What are you doing, buddy? What you doing? He's going crazy. He's running around being a crazy cat.
Oh man, my hair needs a haircut. Why don't I keep making that stupid noise? It's like you guys want me to fart on camera too. Oh, you want me to puke on the TV at once? Make it all come up right on the TV. Yeah, that'll get a lot of views.
Spencer, I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm about to save and then just go. Actually, I just want to play one more. I got like 2 minutes. Wait a second. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's fine. Place location symbol. Oh, the deep plains. Okay. Whatever you.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, very nice.
I don't know who that is. Do you? Who's that? Okay, anyway. I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna play my game and then just save it. But anyway, so hopefully you guys will see more videos. Check out my website. I'm still editing it, so it's kind of, don't go there. Just don't worry about the websites. Okay, and if you do go to xanatarpro.com, please check out the paranormal. Check out all the links. Just check them out. It's entertaining. It's for your entertainment. This is why I'm making these videos. All right. So, anyhow, I love y'all. I really do. I want to make more movies, and I